Scan confirmed. Certified organic.
These pomegranates look perfect, ready for processing.
Sample extracted. Now for analysis.
Each pomegranate is checked for quality.
Moving these to the washing station.
The pomegranates are transferred for washing.
All containers are thoroughly sanitized before reuse.
The fresh pomegranates are now entering the washing stage.
A thorough wash ensures maximum cleanliness.
The pomegranates are ready for the next step. The brushes ensure every surface is clean. Final rinse before inspection. Drying to ensure no moisture remains. Manual sorting ensures only the best fruits proceed. Automated inspection identifies any defects quickly. Defective fruits are automatically removed.
Pomegranates are separated into individual processing lanes.
The pomegranates are gently split to preserve the seeds. Seeds are separated from the fruit.
Massive quantities of pomegranates for processing.
Silo 3 is full. Activating transfer system. More pomegranates loaded for processing. The pomegranates are precisely cored, separating the edible seeds. The seeds are carefully separated from the rind and membrane. The discarded rinds are efficiently removed. These perfect seeds are ready for juice extraction.
Exactly 1,000 kilograms of seeds, ready for pressing.
The seeds are transported to the press section.
The seeds are automatically moved through sealed pipes.
The cold press extracts the fresh pomegranate juice.
Pressure building for maximum juice extraction.
Pure pomegranate juice, freshly pressed.
Extracting every last drop of goodness. The dry pulp is removed, leaving only the pure juice.
This is the raw, pure pomegranate juice, full of flavor.
Maintaining optimal temperature is crucial.
This dried pulp is efficiently transported for further use.
Collecting a sample for quality assessment.
Brix level confirmed. This batch is within specifications.
pH level is stable. Another successful batch.
Recording all data for this batch.
The juice moves through advanced filtration to ensure purity. Perfectly clear and smooth juice flowing through the pipes.
All systems are go for filtration.
High pressure differential detected. Initiating backwash cycle.
The microfiltration system cleans the juice. The juice moves to the maturation tanks for optimal flavor development.
Pure microfiltered pomegranate juice.
Ultrafiltration further refines the juice to perfection.
This purified water is a byproduct of the ultrafiltration process.
The juice continues its journey through the automated processing lines.
The finished juice, ready for pasteurization.
The juice enters the pasteurization unit to ensure safe and shelf life.
The juice is rapidly heated to sterilize it, then quickly cooled. The juice is cooled to preserve its freshness and quality. The pasteurized juice is now ready for storage before packaging.
Nitrogen is added to preserve freshness.
Regular automated cleaning ensures hygiene standards. The juice is packaged in protective film.
Heat treatment ensures a secure and clean seal. Excess water is removed before filling.
Ionized air cleans and prepares the packaging.
The packaging material is precisely formed. The longitudinal seal is created with precision heating. The juice is accurately dispensed into each package.
The top of the package is sealed, creating an airtight container.
Various fruit juice cartons are now moving along the line.
Straws are precisely attached to each juice box.
The finished juice boxes are ready for grouping.
Robotic arms efficiently pack the juice boxes. Boxes are securely sealed for transport. Each box receives its unique shipping label. The boxes are automatically stacked onto pallets, ready for the warehouse. Precision stacking ensures stability and efficient storage.
performing a final quality check before dispatch. Samples are placed in the incubator for microbial testing.
The refractometer confirms the perfect Brix level.
Another batch passes quality control.
The automated guided vehicle scans the pallet for dispatch.
WMS confirms scan complete and guides the AGV to its next destination. The AGV transports the pallet to its designated storage location.
The AGV precisely places the pallet in its assigned spot.
A new picking order is received and dispatched via WMS. The AGV heads to the pickup location for a new order.
Scanning the pallet for the picking order. Match confirmed.
Delivery notes printed, ready for dispatch.
Checking the container for cleanliness before loading.
Loading the juice boxes carefully into the container. The container is sealed and ready for transport. All details are correct. Thank you.
All set. Thank you.